everyone, and welcome to This Is Your Lifestyle. My name is Karen and I am back doing another body butter. I'm so excited. Today we are doing shea cacao. If you haven't seen the first body butter I made, just click on the link above. Alright, so let's start with the ingredients. We have cacao butter, and this cacao butter is 51 grams. Now, cacao butter has so many benefits for your skin. It's going to leave that skin so dewy and hydrated, and it also is high in antioxidants, which is really lovely. Next up is shea butter. Now, shea butter, as you know, is so world-renowned. A lot of people use it. It is 128 grams. It is the bulk of this body butter. It conditions, tones, and soothes the skin. Next up, we have Cupuacu butter, straight from Brazil. This is 41 grams, and this is gonna just improve that skin barrier and that elasticity of the skin. We have Rosehip Oil. Now, Rosehip Oil is tried and true when it comes to the scars and diminishing scars and blemishes and just toning that skin, and we are doing 30 mLs of Rosehip Oil. Good old almond oil. I love almond oil. This is 90 mLs. Almond oil, as you know, pregnant ladies, they rub it on their tummy to decrease those stretch marks. So as you know, it tones the skin. It gives you that dewy glow look. It decreases the blemishes, and it is anti-aging as well. Last but not least, we have one of my 3 favorite essential oils. We have rose oil. As you know, rose oil is straight from the petals of a rose, and it smells so floral, and it has that floral accent, which I love. We have neroli oil. It has that orange fresh scent. And then we have sandalwood, that woodsy scent. You know, a lot of male colognes has this woodsy scent as well as females colognes. But you add these 3 together, it's gonna leave that floral, fresh, woodsy scent that I love, and it's really unisex. It's great for men and women. All right, so we're gonna put the hard butters, Cupuacu and cacao, into a Pyrex. Now, we're doing this because this is a hard butter and we need to whip it up so it could be nice and smooth. The shea butter is already, as you can see, nice and smooth, so we don't need to melt that. The cacao and Cupuacu butter is going to enter the pot so we can move forward with the double boiler method. Now, the double boiler method means that we're going to put water into the pot and the butters are into the Pyrex, and we're going to put the stove on high. We're gonna wait for it to melt, and you want to decrease the temperature into a medium high until it melts. The cacao and the Cupuacu butter now is a liquid, so we're going to turn the stove off, and we are going to cover it with a cloth or anything to cover, you know, the Pyrex, and we're going to place it in the freezer so we can turn it into a solid again, and then we'll whip it up. Whip it real good. Why? Okay. Alright. Let's move forward. Okay. Yeah, baby. So let's wait for it to become a semi-solid so we can actually whip it. Whip it real good, guys. So let's look at this product. So it is a semi-solid. You want to have a little bit of liquid, and you want it to be at least soft, okay, not all the way frozen. So what we're going to do here is blend it, and then after that we'll just add the rest of the ingredients, okay? So you want to get the corners, and then we're going to start adding the rest of the ingredients into the mix. This almond oil, bam. The rose hips. I love this color. Last and not least, good old shea. Just grab this with my hand. Maybe not. Crumble. I like how soft it is. I love how soft shea is. Like, you don't even need to melt this, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna get the size, and this smells so heavenly, so soft. I didn't even add the essential oils yet, so excited. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, just put some on my skin. Woo! Let's just test it out. Ooh, look. Glow, 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 so heavenly. Alright, let's start again. So we are gonna add the essential oils. I'm gonna do 5 drops of rose oil. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna do 3 drops of neroli. 1, 2, 3. This is like quick. All right, last and but not least, sandalwood. We're gonna do 2 drops of sandalwood. Yummy. Let's see. Oh, that smells lovely. I just love the smell of sandalwood. All right, so we're gonna place this, messy, it'll be neat. We're gonna place this in a nice jar, okay? So let's place this butter in a Ziploc bag, and we are going to cut it and place it in the jar ever so neatly. And this is just, it just helps it to place it in the jar. So go in. And then whatever that's left in the Ziploc bag you could actually use as well, so no butter goes to waste. I love how whipped it is. I love this. And we are gonna Ziploc this and put some extra here just to rub it on my skin. And I love how it feels a little grainy, but I love that because that's a shea butter that I did not melt. You know, I just mixed it in with the other melted butter, and I just love the way it feels. Oh gosh. Put it on my elbows and my hands and the arms, and it feels so good. And what's great, guys, is I also did brown sugar scrub, so you can like use the scrub and after that use this butter, and then, you know, just doing it every day out of the week or a couple of days out of the week, you'll see that your skin will turn soft and it's like ready for the winter months ahead. And it's great for people with eczema as well. So just leaves a baby soft feeling to your skin, and it's natural, it's healthy, and this has a shelf life of 3 months, but this is going to be done, I would tell you, between my sister and I, a week or under 2 weeks. I like using my butters and scrubs in glass jars because it's BPA free, so it's eco-friendly and it's safe for the environment and your skin. I am going to cut a little bit of this. It's kind of like frosting, you know, and a little piece there. And then what we're going to do is we are going to put it in the jar. It's so good. Look at that. Shea Cacao Butter. It is a lovely texture, very moisturizing, and smells lovely. So join us next time with our next body butter and scrub series. I'm so happy to share this with you guys, especially during the winter cold months. So stay tuned and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.